Anesthesia and rubber dam isolation. Welcome back. Today we're mastering anesthesia and rubber dam isolation, the foundation of safe, comfortable endodontic treatment. Even the best dentist sometimes faces a screaming pulp. Let's learn why anesthesia fails and how to fix it every single time. Remember the mnemonic PLAN, your guide to successful endodontic anesthesia. P, profound anesthesia. L, location of infection. A, additional techniques. N, nerve blocks. Always begin with profound anesthesia. Use 1 or 2 carpules if needed and give the anesthetic enough time to take effect. Infected tissues have a low pH, which reduces the effectiveness of local anesthetics. This is why the hot tooth is more challenging. If your basic injection doesn't work, move to the PIE techniques. P, periodontal ligament injection. I, intrapulpal injection. E, extra techniques like intraosseous injection or repeated buccal and lingual infiltrations. For mandibular molars, nerve blocks are often necessary. These include the inferior alveolar nerve block, Gow Gates, and the Vazirani Akinosi technique. The famous hot tooth may require a combination of buccal and lingual infiltrations, PDL injections, and occasionally an intrapulpal injection. Now let's move to part 2, rubber dam isolation. Rubber dam improves visibility, prevents contamination, and protects the patient. Remember the mnemonic CHOKE for rubber dam placement. C, clamp selection. H, hole punching. O, open the frame. K, kick the dam on the tooth. And E, ensure complete isolation. Select the correct clamp for the tooth. Punch the hole in the correct position, not too close to the edge. Place the frame to open the working field. Seat the clamp first, then stretch the dam over it. Finally, check for complete isolation and seal. Watch out for common mistakes such as tearing the dam, punching the hole in the wrong place, or choosing the wrong clamp. Here's a quick summary. Use PLAN for anesthesia. Use PIE when needed. Manage the hot tooth with combined strategies. And master rubber dam placement with CHOKE. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. The best mnemonic for anesthesia success is A, past, B, plan, C, smile. The correct answer is plan. Question 2. Which technique is part of PIE? A, buccal infiltration only. B, PDL injection. C, incision and drainage. The correct answer is PDL injection. Question 3. The mnemonic for rubber dam steps is A, safe. B, crown. C, CHOKE. The correct answer is CHOKE. Great job! You are now ready to deliver pain-free endodontics with perfect isolation. See you in the next video, Access Cavity Preparation.